Getting lost in an unfamiliar place can be stressful, especially when you don't have internet access. Thankfully, Google Maps has a powerful feature that lets you navigate without relying on Wi-Fi or data. Mastering this feature will make your travels smoother and stress-free, even in the most remote locations. Download your map. Before your trip, open Google Maps on your phone. Type in your destination, such as a city or region, and tap the location name at the bottom of the screen. Look for the option that says Download and select it. Adjust the area you want to save by zooming in or out. Make sure it covers the places you'll visit. Once satisfied, tap Download, and the map will save to your device. This ensures you'll have access to detailed navigation even without an internet connection. Use offline mode. After downloading, Google Maps will automatically switch to offline mode when you're in an area with no service. You'll still be able to view streets, search for locations within the saved area, and get step-by-step driving directions. Keep in mind that real-time traffic updates, walking directions, and public transport routes won't be available offline, so plan ahead. Save your favorites. Enhance your offline experience by saving key spots like hotels, restaurants, and attractions. Simply search for a location, tap Save, and add it to a list, like favorites or travel itinerary. These saved places will appear on your offline map, making it easy to navigate between them. Stay updated. Offline maps need periodic updates to stay accurate. Before you leave, connect to Wi-Fi and go to the offline map section in the app. Google will prompt you to update any expired maps, ensuring you have the latest data for your trip. Conserve battery and storage. To optimize battery life, turn on battery saver mode in your phone settings while using offline maps. Additionally, keep your downloads manageable by only saving the areas you'll need. If storage space is limited, delete older maps once your trip is over. Google Maps offline is a lifesaver for travelers exploring unfamiliar places or areas with limited connectivity. With just a few quick steps, you can download maps, save key locations, and navigate confidently no matter where you are. Be prepared, stay efficient, and make your adventures unforgettable.